Run that back, bro.
Good while we cooking up, Good while we cooking up, we ready, I let it go while we cooking up, Give me the pussy, Give me the money, What the fuck you waiting for? I told you to get naked. I'm high on the throne. I told you it's a fucking spaceship. You can leave me alone. I told you you don't gotta make it. I won't mind be alone. I told you I'm not gonna hate you. I'm all in the zone. I'm not gonna let up. They gon' hurt me. Why this pain go away when I take another Percocet? Rapping in this bitch so fluent. In this bitch I'm Jeffrey. The dog free slime. Walking this bitch with a dog call on the bitch saying free slime. Stop with a stick, yo, fully arrived. Give me the pussy, I'm beating it down. She hitting the high note just like a Leah. I love getting high, bro, passes Tiva. I'ma run the last more blunt, go under Egypt, I can try, but only nigga I can please you, Grab that ass while I poke it out of straight defense. Let a nigga play, I got him corner, he on defense. Shoot that nigga in the face for a while, I smile, I'm just pretending. Maybe I ain't playing, but that's up to you, really, it's just your opinion. She's gon' make me wait, she ain't gon' make me wait, I'm gonna slide in a minute. Give me the pussy, give me the money, What the fuck you talking about? I told you to get naked. I'm high on the throne, I told you it's a fucking spaceship. You can leave me alone, I told you you don't gotta make it. I don't mind being alone, I told you I'm not gonna hate you. I'm in the zone, I told you I'm not gonna let up. They don't wanna hurt me, bro. Watch this pin go away, I'll take another Percocet. Rapping this bitch so fan, this bitch just call me Jeffrey. Young dog, free slime.
Hold up. He said, Mr. 3-time in it, bitch. Mr. Reno with your shit on. Ain't nothing on a nigga new, but bitch, I'm diamond rich. Ain't nothing on you flashing, but homie, I stay flashing. He homie try to run up, now he dumbass in that casket. Bitch, you ain't shit. Pull up with a stick, gon' dunk that clip. Right up in your crib, finna take your shit. Fuck nigga ain't moving, you a bitch. Heard what I said, and this shit is lit. 3-time in this business up. 12 ain't catch this shit, and they sick. I said what I said, 3-time they bitch. That 3 that I took on that whip. Like I said, hit me in that bitch. That marrow kick when I tell that shit kick. Gonna be in this bitch and it's lit. And you know how I get in this bitch. Pull up with the stick in with the dunk that clip. Ran off on that nigga with the 4-5 stick. Yeah, the bitch in the ass was fucking that bitch. With the fucking bitch like that. Nigga, real mad. Got back in this shit, now nigga sad. Better pull off for the shit real fast.
Hey, told bro to slide them drugs to me. Call up the hoes, bring me a treat. I need that bag, I want that breach. I'm chasing cash, no time for beef. Niggas step to me, get put to sleep. You ain't going good night, but you gon' need a priest. What the fuck is a gang, bitch? I'm from the block, nigga. Look at my name, KD at the top. No, I can't fuck with you, cause boy, you too hot, nigga. I'm tryna win, I feel like that you not. Fireman told me slide, told him send me the drop. Nigga, why you on my dick, nigga? That's your bitch job. Gang, cry.
You know what I mean? Dump that bitch for the time out. You already know the vibes, man. Like I said, get up or get left, fuck, nigga. You already know the vibe. 3-time KD in this bitch, man. Feel me? 5 man in this bitch, man. You already know we doing this shit.
Yeah, big Y said this shit, bitch.
Big Y said TE in this bitch. You already know the vibes. Fuck, nigga.
We trying to make a movie out here, baby. We in motherfucking Rutgers. We trying to make a movie out here, baby. Come on now. You already see the content, baby. God damn, look at this.
You already do got content, I ain't gonna lie.
Who wants to make a movie?
Saying, what's up, vlog?
Who wants to make a movie?
Outside.
We got Dr. Madness out here. He about to make you bleed.
What are you? What do you think I am?
A doctor that killed someone?
You think I killed someone?
Yeah. Guess who she is? Guess who she is? Guess who she is? Wait, careful. First guess. You won't get it.
Like a fitness trainer or something, I don't know.
It's Kylie Jenner. What are you talking about?
How am I supposed to get that?
Wait, listen.
Where am I supposed to get that from?
I don't really celebrate Halloween for real, but like I'm just gonna say I'm Kylie Jenner just to get into the party.
This is one of her regular fits, isn't it? This is one of your regular fits, isn't it?
Oh, sir, I gotta
The lying liar who lies about a lying spaceship that totally.
Goddamn.
I thought you were the Grinch.
No.
Don't do that, no man.
We trying to make a movie. We trying to make a movie or something.
Yeah.
What to do? Where's your ass? What's the Insta? What's up? It's
Halloween weekend, bitch. It's Halloween weekend. What's up with it?
Where y'all going to? Where y'all going?
What's your ass? What's your ass? Rip your shit. Rip your shit.
Janaya Dot Olivia, bro. JNYA.LIV, bro. Let's go. Pop out, yo. Let me tell you something. I don't even know.
I had an alien, but I killed him.
Okay.
So he's inflated.
Nah, you big nigga,
It's
bro.
inflatable. It's
You
inflatable.
a big nigga. You killed
That's
him,
what I'm
bro.
saying.
That shit again,
He tried to take me, but he couldn't hold me.
Nope.
Wait,
He could have. You try to be in a movie. Come on now. Patreon, OnlyFans, Pornhub. What's being Pornhub? This shit looks sexy on the camera. We trying to make a movie, baby. Come on now. We trying to be famous. We trying to make 10 million. We trying to make 10 million. Uh-oh. She gonna turn homeless by the time she get out of college, though. She gonna turn homeless. These bitches don't know how to talk to people, bro.
Yo, I remember movie shit got beat up right on this shit.
I didn't get beat up, boy.
Beatty popped out this bitch 2-on-1, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He had hell yeah, he had to him to get up and like he squared up, me and him square up, right?
It was this street?
Right here, bro.
They got fucked up, bro. I feel like pimp slapping that bitch, bro. She don't know who the fuck she was talking to. See, these kids be bold, man. They be on their parents' money or get some bullshit ass scholarship to come here, bro. Oh, bold as hell. By the time we get out of college, they bums. They fucking homeless by the time they get out of college, my nigga.
I'm low-key worried about them because they are right, folks.
Right, yeah. By the time these bitches get out of college, bro, they fucking homeless. They're bums. They're on some bullshit ass scholarship. They're on some bullshit ass, mommy, daddy, please pay for me. Or they took out a fucking loan. These bitches gonna be homeless. And they failing their midterms and finals. God damn. Listen, we trying to make a movie, man.
Them bitches ain't gonna be
What's your ass? What's your ass? Rep your shit. Rep your shit. What is it?
Brooklyn 2 Hollywood. Y'all already know this shit. Niggas already know me. I don't gotta say too much. Brooklyn 2 Hollywood. Y'all already know my shit. Y'all don't gotta say too much.
What's yours? What's yours? What's your ass?
Where the party at?
Oh, Beto is stronger,
He
but I
picked
fuck
something
with
else,
the top.
bro. He just picked something else.
You know what I mean?
Y'all been following me.
You know what I mean?
I know where
That
they at.
combo is kind of
What's your ad? What's your ad, though, man? What's your ad? I'm gonna add you in the
Rude
video.
at ex.rude. RUDE.
Word. Tell him now. What's up? What's up? Straight pippin', straight slick. Come on now. We trying to make a movie, baby. We trying to find some. Come on now.
They really said that.
Straight pippin', boy. See?
Straight pimping.
Straight glistening. That's what it is. Real pimps wear silk. Come on.
Yeah, bro, we didn't miss out nothing, bro.
Right.
Seth is talking about we missed out, bro.
Listen, we're coming back. I'm trying to help you. I could have catched him myself, but I'm trying to stiff arm my man right here, bro. I'm trying to.
Spooky bitches out here. It's a lot of spooky bitches.
Why are you pushing that guy in the face like?
Right. I'm trying to stiff arm him. I was really doing this.
My profile picture is the character.
Nope.
I love it. Listen.
Calling off. Do you know who I am?
No.
There's like 10 of me out there. Do you know
died.
who I'm recording?
My alien died.
Exactly.
It's for like National Geographic coming out. It's for a humanitarian class, you know what I mean?
For National Geographic, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, National
School project.
Oh,
no.
Pana ja kristemu, ośrema jakiś meni, venka tala venuka.
Is that, I forgot what language is
Your
that.
shorts are
Hebrew?
so
Is that Hebrew?
short. No,
No? What?
it was Greek.
Greek? Oh, okay.
He pushed him off because he was mad.
You ain't gonna have to like edit everything. Every single thing, I edited it.
MANNI_. What he said? Yeah. 21. I don't give a fuck. You got it.
Nope.
I'm low-key avoiding some fat girls, so.
Trying to make a movie, man. We're trying to make a movie, man. We're trying to be on OnlyFans, $10 million a motherfucking year. Come on now. School ain't gonna work, goddamn. Y'all gonna be homeless by the time you get out of school. Do OnlyFans, please. Oh, your parents ain't gonna save you, baby. You gonna be homeless, baby. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Yo, you can't save these bitches. You can't save them. If my alien can't save me, Ain't no one gonna save these bitches.
Oh yeah, what's up, vlog?
Ain't no one gonna save these bitches, man. We trying to help them need.
We almost just crashed one of these niggas' vlog. I ain't gonna lie.
I didn't capture it. Yo, we had a whole fight vlog. I didn't capture it. I messed it up. But I did, cause like, listen, I was trying to hold the man back. I was worried for the board, cause we gonna fuck him up. I was like, hold on, I didn't hold you back. So I should have been recording. My bad. It's hard. Listen, it's hard out here for a pit.
Yes.
It's hard out here for a pit. Come on now.
Tomorrow, we outside tomorrow.
I'm saying, bro. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, I told you to go get a job, bitch. Good thing. I told you school not gonna work. They coming after me. I'm like, Daddy, a strong black man told me about real life. Oh, Lord of mercy.
You got some good content for How you not get my punch in?
Yeah, I get
Yo, you got my boy punch in though?
Nah, I ain't get shit. Hey, yo, I was trying to have the man shake my hand. He shake my hand, man. He was a bitch. He got fucked up though.
You should have got him copping it too. Talk about
I know. I should have backed up and recorded.
I didn't even do anything, bro.
Tomorrow we come out here, we gotta come out early though.
I should have backed up and recorded, bro. God damn. Fuck, man.